Hello, hello, fam. So today is all about building business credit. There's a few things that we are doing, not doing. We are not, we don't have the right information, and because we don't have the right information, we fall short in elevating in our business. So, hi, my name is Abigail. I am excited just to share as much as I know, the knowledge the information that I've been searching for a few years now. I literally have stumbled over this information, and uh, when I got the knowledge and understanding of what is possible in regards to business credit, I was like blown away. Please leave a comment in the description. Press like, share, subscribe. Okay. I'm just excited about building business credit. I'm excited about elevating and leveraging business credit. Did you know that business credit is absolutely different from personal credit? With personal credit, the more you use, your credit score go down. It's different with business. When you use, and when you use, the more that you use, they literally give you more credit line because they're realizing that, listen, this person is is having a business and they're scaling their business. So, they literally give business owner that understanding credit, that's leveraging credit, more credit line. Do not be afraid on building business credit. And there's a few things that you need to do right now in order to build business credit. We as business owner, we register our business at our Secretary of State. We have our EIN number. Sometimes we have our business bank account, but not all the time. But I highly recommend you guys start getting your separate yourself from your business. Get a business bank account. So you need your Secretary of State, your business being registered, show that it's registered, get your EIN number, get your business bank account, make sure you have a business phone number, e business email, and also you need, very important for you to have, a business virtual address or a brick and mortar, which is a physical address. Do not register your business with your personal address. That is absolutely a no-no, because when you're ready to go get be qualified for grants or qualify for funding, they actually look at these things. They actually see if you take the initiative to separate yourself from your business. Okay, so those are a few. So let's recap again. Um, Register your business as Secretary of State, get your EIN number, make sure you have a business phone number, make sure you have a business address. You need a website, you need your email address. Those are things that's very important. You need a DONS number so you can literally you can start seeing your business credit score. Also, NAV is an absolutely great one. That's a platform that you're able to see your business credit, and then start getting tier one or vendor net 30 account. That is absolutely that's the steps in order to start building business credit. It's not hard. It's all about being intentional with what you're doing. It's all about knowing all of these steps are taken care of. Step 1 to step 10, step by step, doing all these things, being intentional, because when you're ready to go get money for grants, get money, not get grants, get loans, These institutions are actually looking for these things. And if you want to scale your business and getting 50,000, 100,000 and less, then these are the things that you need to do in order to build business credit. I'm excited, and I'm just not just, I'm creating this awareness of how the right way to do to get funding, the right thing that you need to do on paper to get funding, because there's a right way and there's a wrong way. So in this community, Global Resource Connection, we're all about elevating, we're all about teaching each other, elevating together. If you have any question, leave a comment in the description, like, share, and you can tell I'm new to this channel, right? So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being part of this elevating community. It's all about building business credit. It's all about building generational wealth. So I look forward to answering a question. Leave any comments. I'm so excited to connect with you.